Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I'll show you how to fix Facebook if friend requests aren't showing on your iPhone, Android or desktop. First, ensure your internet connection is stable. Weak or slow connection can prevent friend requests from appearing. Next, go ahead and refresh the app or page. Pull down to refresh your feed or close and reopen the Facebook app. Next, update the Facebook app. Go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store. Then search for Facebook and see if there is an update button available. Sometimes login issues happen because you are using the outdated version of the app. Updating it ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes. Next, if that also didn't help, it's time to clear cache. Go ahead and open your settings app and then search for iPhone storage or storage. Then scroll down and click on the option of Facebook and then hit the offload app button. This will free up storage used by the app but keeps the documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available for download. Next, check your privacy settings. If your profile is set to restrict friend requests or Facebook temporarily limits friend requests due to unusual activity, they may not appear. So these are quick fixes if Facebook friend requests aren't showing. Start with connection and refresh, then update or clear cache if needed. If this helped, like and subscribe and comment for more easy tech tips. Thank you all so much for watching and I'll see you guys.